In this video, we'll show you how to enable pagination option across table data. Why do you need this functionality? Well, let's take an example. You're bringing 1,000 records into a table. And you don't want to make your table stretch all the way down the page. Rather, you just want to show 50 records per page. So this is an excellent functionality for that. Let me show you. Let's get a table. You can do the same in list view as well. Let's choose opportunity. Let's say I'm bringing 500 records and I click next. Doesn't matter about the condition. All we want to focus on is adding a column. So column 1 is going to be name, column 2 is going to be stage, and column 3 is going to be amount. Click apply, and there is my data. So let's make this table this big. Let's click save. Let's click preview, and you can see now the data is rendered directly in here. But I don't want to be able to keep scrolling down, a bit annoying. I just want them to be able to see 10 results per page, and pagination will allow you to do that. So how do you access it? Well, click on your table, click on the gear icon, go over to interactivity, and you've got something called allow pagination. Check that, and here you can decide how many rows per page you will allow your user to see. So for me, 50 is good. I can even set it to 100. Happy with that. Now click X, click save, and then click refresh. And once you've done that, we'll let the data load, and as you can see, there is rows per page is 100. Okay. Now I can go over to, in my case, I've actually only pulled 70, so it's kind of a bad example. So let's remodify it. Click edit, go back to interactivity, and I'm going to say show 10 records per page. That's a good example. So click save. Here, let's go ahead and refresh. So we're refreshing the data, and as you can see, row per page is 10. And then now you have 1. If I want to go to the next page, I can, like this. Really nice functionality. Go over to 3, go over to 4, go over to 5, and just like that. And one of the things I want to focus on is how to actually modify that and style it. So you want to click on your full screen, and you will have all your items here, like a scroll bar, icon, button, column, and basically you should be able to modify the colors if required. So like scroll bar, you can modify the border, and then here, you can have a look at any element that you're accessing. So essentially that's how you enable pagination. Just simply refresh the table, enable it, and then you can see it will be rows per page, and it really is a really nice functionality. In your case, like this. So one thing you do want to make sure is you've fully dragged it over. So I didn't do that, but now this is what you see. I've dragged it over, now it looks like this. Alright, and I know rows per page is possible up to 10. And I can click forward, go backwards, keep going, and if you enable this with the search functionality, it really is makes it easy on the eye for your users to access their data and view it. And yeah, that's how you do it.